Hey, today I have an exciting news, something I know many people have been waiting for or asking about. I'm finally launching my painting class. I've been working with a school company called Monthly. They do this month-long accelerated courses, and we structured the class in such a way that it covers my entire painting process. This project is very important to me. I put a lot of time and effort into this class, and that's partially why I haven't been uploading here as much. And I'm really proud of the class. In it, I'm going to show you my full portrait painting process in real time, explaining what I'm doing and my thought process along the way. Essentially, we'll be painting our portraits together, side by side, over the course of 30 days. I'll show you how to prepare your reference photo, lay out a starting sketch, mix colors, prepare and manage your palette, how to lay paints, how to blend them, render facial features, and create realism. And you'll finish the class with a great portrait. It can be a portrait of a friend, family member, or anyone else. It can even be a self-portrait. Other students of all levels will be in a class with you so that you can learn together and receive feedback, and I'll be there sometimes too, answering questions and leaving comments. I think that it's often hard to find time to make art or to pursue our creative urges, or we find time but just don't know where to start. Committing to this class will give you the structure, guidance, and support you need to have an amazing artistic experience for an entire month. And by the way, no matter what your starting point is, I think you are really going to surprise yourself with how much you're going to grow and improve in just 1 month. So that's what I can briefly tell you about the class. There is a link in the description where you can find more information, and it's also where you can enroll in the class. Enrollment opens today and closes on Friday, June 26th. The class officially starts on the 6th of July and runs for 30 days. I'm really excited about it, and I can't wait to see what you guys will create. So thanks for watching, hope to see you in the class.